Now we have assembled the probe to have all of the aux electrodes that we require, we now need to fit the sleeve and the end cap, which is very important when you are using the optical electrodes to stop any interference from UV or any other forms of exterior interference. So we apply some silicone grease to the inside of the sleeve. Carefully insert this over the probe and screw it on. As we have a turbidity electrode, we need to use the cap. So again, a small amount of silicone grease onto the thread, trying not to get any on this area here as it may make it reflective, and screw it onto the end of the sleeve. We are now ready to calibrate the probe.